Hello, Shrida. This is Sarah Kong
Hey,
from
hi.
Intel.
Yeah, hi,
Hi.
Silicon. Good morning.
Good.
Thanks for
Are you
joining.
based in the US or are you somewhere else?
No, I'm based in India.
India. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I have a lot of my colleagues in India mostly.
Yeah.
My meeting mostly at night. Yeah.
It happens, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, same here. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
So you're
So
you're
my
you're
first
you're
time
with
here.
you're working with Ranjit, the same team?
Yeah, right now he's kind of my manager right now.
Mm.
We have a team reorg and stuff, so he currently at least is my manager. Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah. So try to join and probably try to learn more in this forum, see what anything I can help and represent Intel.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Fortunately, Miles already left Intel, so
Yeah,
my partner. Yeah.
we have one topic where we might need your help. I'll come to that.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's wait for a few minutes for people to join. I know, I think the long weekend is coming up, right, in US?
That is correct. Monday, this coming Monday is the U.S. Memorial Day
Memorial Day.
holiday. Yes.
In other places, I've seen like attendance is going big. They're taking off. A lot of people are taking off next week, like a 1 week vacation or something like that.
Yeah. I thought that in India also have a holiday next week as well, right? 28, something like that. I don't know if it's a national
Oh,
holiday or just a region
oh,
holiday.
yeah, it's a religious holiday. Some people can take it. Yeah, yeah, true, true, true. But a lot of people do take it. Oh, yeah,
I
yeah,
see.
you know those things. Good.
Because like I said, I have a lot of colleagues in India, so yeah. I built up one team in India 5 years ago, so that team grows now. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's Bakrid. Correct, correct.
Yeah.
It's a Islamic festival. Yeah, it's holiday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Simon. Good afternoon.
Hello. We also have a long weekend.
Oh, is it? Next Monday is holiday?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And actually, tomorrow is company holiday, so I get 4 days.
So long weekend is coming up then.
Yeah, yeah. Just and it's already in the afternoon, so as soon
Oh,
as I
yeah.
finish,
The pubs get start filling up now.
that's right.
Okay. Hi, Tim. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, let's one more minute and then get started.
And should that all the meeting minutes also save it somewhere as well? Maybe like history, the previous
Yeah,
meeting, so I
I
can
will
run
send you
through
a
it.
link. So let
Oh,
me.
perfect. Thank you.
So here
Yeah.
we have from last 4 years. So I will send you this link. Okay, put in this link.
Yeah, that would be great. I'll go and go through the meeting. Yeah, hi everyone. Simon, Tim, this is Sarah Kong from Intel.
Sure.
Kind of take place of my partners. He already left Intel. See anything here I can help and do from Intel.
Welcome.
Yes, welcome,
Thank you.
sir.
Yeah, I'm based in Oregon, so U.S. Oregon.
So Jones Farm?
Joan Farm, I am. Yes.
Yeah, I've been there many times.
Oh, you based where you came from? Are you where the based at?
I'm based in Spokane, Washington.
Oh, Spokane, Washington. I see. Yeah, you're border, not too
Yeah,
far away.
yeah.
Yeah, I visited Spokane last year for 2 days there. We're nice, very nice in late June, early July.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
used we used to make trips to the networking group down in Jones Farm. So work
there you
trips.
go. Yeah, I am in a networking group at least for 15, actually 18 years in networking group. Yeah, but mostly I was focusing on the VMware operating system, driver development, and driver architecture. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, looks like the attendance will be this much. Let's get started. Tim is here, Simon is here. Okay. Sam, I think you would have confirmed. I think it should be working. Not much on this lab updates. We don't have Sam either. This also, I think we can close this particular topic. Sam's work is more or less done. I can remove this particular topic also. The important topic for now is mostly on the blueprint and the use case, how to, maybe we can combine these two going ahead, and we can handle the focus on discussing the execution or basically zero in and execution and responsibilities. So these are the three things we need to start working on the blueprints part. Then I need like somebody from TSC to drive this thing, and anything that I can play a role to reach out to people and ask, please let me know. So we do have a set of blueprints, and Simon has created this page. Let me go to that page.
Yeah, so this is the main thing I was hoping to discuss today.
Yeah,
Uh,
let's stick to
yeah.
that. No, yeah. Hey, this is not the page, right? This is not the page.
No, that's not it. Let me share you the link.
Okay, okay.
Or maybe if I share my screen.
That would be better. Yeah, I'll stop sharing. Yeah.
There you go. Okay. It's here. Okay. Hopefully right screen. That's I have several documents, but this one. No, this one. Yeah, so I guess this is my preferred view today, at least. I tried to, I did show this last week, but I tried to correlate the guidance from the board with the information from the dashboard about the blueprints, and essentially I've come up with 4, which I feel to focus on. And for some reason, I particularly like 5. So if someone wanted to ask me for a recommendation, I would say let's do 5 and pick one of those other ones. But that's just my idea. My real question is how we can drive this to a decision.
So once we decide on these things, I will reach out to those who proposed this thing at the start, at the first place, and reach out to them and see. We need one of the DPU APU vendors, and Intel is here to support us for that. And
Yep.
we need. I will see who proposed this one and see if they can start driving this thing, and if they need any help in realizing that. So these are the 4 that you are suggesting, Simon. Yeah.
Basically, so they're not in any particular order here. Or maybe they're in no particular order. But so the number 4 and number 6 is both relate to hardware offload, which, by the way, was my previous job. I'm kind of concerned about 4 because we can't. It's unlikely we'll be able to get NVIDIA to help with this. And then it seems a bit risky on the other platforms, in my opinion. And with 6, I have a similar kind of concern. With OVS offload, I know quite a lot about that topic, so maybe my opinions have some weight there. But IPsec or Max IPsec encryption, offload, I know less about. But my concern here is similar, which is it leans on Marvell. And I feel like that's a little bit of a risk because they're not members anymore. If we can do this on Intel, if we have confidence, then I feel a lot better about this. So I guess that's my main question about this, is if we feel we can shift this over to Intel, or alternatively, we feel like we have the right support from Marvell. And then 3, I feel, well, yes, actually, this actually also depends on Marvell, right? So I guess, in the case of 3, 4, and 6, my main question is around the vendor support and how we can make it happen.
What do you need support from Intel? Sorry, I'm just first day here, so I'm trying to learn. Bear with
Yeah,
me. So
so
I'm
I
trying to collect
probably,
information to see what I can help and bring some information to the management to see
yeah,
anything we
yeah.
can
So,
do.
just some background. So we have this idea around blueprints, and we've solicited from third parties ideas, and this is kind of a short list I came up with. And as you can kind of see from the text here, they target different types of hardware. The reason for which I'm not sure. That's just what the people proposing it proposed. But if we could shift, say, number 6 over to Intel, I feel that would reduce the risk significantly. So maybe the question here is to dig into number 6 here a bit deeper. I don't remember who proposed it even, and see, if Intel could be a fit there. So maybe I could reach out to you, on Slack with some pointers. Would that work?
Yeah, if we could, get what really need from support from Intel, right? If we get that bullet point of that, as I'll see is I can bring it up and to see what we can do and get back the information, right? So I'd like to know what the requirements for Intel to support in here. Is that just a NIC or development or any like hardware capability, anything like that would be awesome to know.
Right. Yeah. I'll try to get some more information.
Yeah, that's great. Thank
I,
you.
I would. Are you already on Slack?
Me?
Yeah.
Are you
Are you
asking?
on the? Sorry, we have an OPI Slack. I'm wondering if you joined.
No, I'm not. This is my first day that
No
I
problem at all.
joined.
So,
Yeah, it used to be
yeah,
my partner, I believe, but he already left Intel, so I'm kind of take his place for now. Temporarily, we'll see what I can do with this. Yeah.
no problem. Yeah. So yeah, if you could join the Slack, that would be helpful. Else, um, maybe you could reach out via email. Um, I'll drop my
Yeah,
email in the Slack.
I need to learn more about those. Maybe I'm not aware of that one. So I
Okay.
need maybe Srida or can we maybe I'll set up maybe one with you so I can go over, what it is and any area I need to look into or any area I need to join so I can help with. That maybe okay with you, Srida, or someone.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
sure that will work.
definitely. As Simon was mentioning, he can also share it these things over email. I can share your email ID, or you can share your email ID with Simon.
Yeah.
I think just also to add the context that Simon was mentioning, Krishna also mentioned about the VM scenarios that the Intel is interested in. Are we considering that in the here where it's not specific to whether it's a cloud type, right? Whether it's a VM or a container, Simon?
Yeah, that's right. I don't think we had any blueprints that really targeted the VM aspect. Maybe.
No. There was no blueprint, any submission on the VM aspect. You're right.
Again, that one I might need to talk to Krishna what the his idea behind it. So like I said, in brand new, he was talking about something the virtualization support, the VM containers or something like that.
Mhm.
That's right.
Yeah, I might need to catch up with him to see what his idea. So try to learn more from him so I can bring into this meeting.
Sure,
That
or
would be
we can
perfect.
have a call. I can explain what all he said and share
Oh
the
yeah,
download
yeah,
immediate
absolutely.
details and everything separately also.
Yeah, I'll set up meeting with you. Maybe I don't sometime next week. Will be that okay before the
Yes.
next meeting?
Yes,
Oh,
please.
perfect. Thank you. Yeah.
So regarding who proposed this thing, the first one is from World Tech IT, the BP004. I will check on the other things. Computing. I think ZTP, it was from Fusion Layer. I will check on the other two.
I should have included that. Sorry. But so yeah. So we can get some more information about how Intel can help us. That might help to get towards a decision. Yeah, and just wondering what else we can do to try to get us to a point where we can decide.
Yeah, I think the key is to find out who's going to lead the blueprint effort, right, for each one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which
Okay.
is why
Okay.
going back to the proposer is the right thing to start with. And if they still want to pursue it, then how can we help them pursue it? And are others willing to participate and help?
Yes. Yeah. So maybe I should circle back to the proposals, and there are kind of suggestions embedded in this page, and bring them to and see what the response is. Right.
Yeah. That's a so I will try to reach out to those proposers and ask for them. Then TSC is ready to support in your proposal. We will see how to execute and what help they need to lead that thing.
Yep.
If they
Yeah.
want to put some resources, for example, from the DPU vendors from Intel's team, then I will try to coordinate with over here in bringing it. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a
Okay.
good idea.
And I think from that NVMe, somebody it was proposed initially from Mango Boost because they said they had their DPUs accelerate NVMe or TCP, if I remember
Okay.
correctly.
All right. Well, I won't write that down in case it's wrong, but if so, that would work really well.
Correct. I think that's what Mango Boost initially. I was looking at the old meeting minutes. Um, I think it was from Mango Boost. Yeah.
Okay.
So it was they wanted to in January. It was in almost a year back. Okay, we will see if Mango Boost is still interested, or we can find somebody to use different cards. Exactly the same proposal. It is from the Mango Boost discussion that BP05 that we had to extract and add it as a blueprint. Yes.
Okay.
That
Okay. Thanks.
IPsec, I will check. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Sure. Okay, so next the ball is in my court. I will reach out to them and bring the update next week then. I will make a note of that. Can I share my screen?
Yes, sorry, just a moment.
No.
Yeah, sorry, Andrew.
Okay. So on the AI and the DPU, the draft is ready. I will send it to all the TSC members for review today, and also the governing board members. The idea is to complete this white paper by first week of June and publish it. Let me just quickly show that. Yeah. So basically, yeah, including the OPI. So Simon, the question of the blueprints, right? We need to also document what is the OPI tie-in for each of these blueprints, kind of thing. Yeah. We'll try to add that pointers. So I will share this document. I request members to take a look at it and review. We try to include the work that has been happening and also the use case that happened, everything around this thing. So please share your inputs and what are the changes to make and everything. We will incorporate it accordingly. Okay. The APAC, the OCP APAC, the talk has been submitted. The marketing team would like to know if we need to get a booth right away. I believe the TSC's preference last time was to wait for the TSC, that acceptance of the talk. Based on that, we can make a call because I was told Akisan may not be able to join the OCP APAC. It would be only from the Red Hat. So we will have to see if we really need to get a booth because if there are no representatives from OPI, it will not worth buying a booth from OCP. Okay. Yeah, on this thing, last time we brought up this the Intel IPU needs a reflash and it needs a developer account thing. So we need somebody from Intel. Siri, can you help us with this thing?
Could you provide a bit more information about this one?
I will send an email to you on this particular topic.
Yeah, that would be great. So.
Okay. On this, Simon, you said you would check with. So this is covered part on this. Oh, this is already covered. Yeah, the integration with the DPU operator for the ION use case. You said you would check with Hidey if he has any information. If OPI needs to do anything on that. If we need to enhance our DPU operator in certain way for that can help entity ION use case, we can
Yeah, let me
consider.
ask again. I did ask, but I asked at the same time about the OPAC,
Okay.
the OCP event, and I only received response to one half of the email. I guess it's better to only do one topic per email. Try again.
It happens. Okay. And we are still, maybe it's too early, or we may have to start soon. First, let us address this blueprint topic, and then we can discuss or OPI mini summit or something around the OCP Global Summit thing, because we may have to do CFPs and other things sometime next month. So please look out for that. Maybe next week or a week after that, I will bring up that topic because we'll have to start soon that processes of CFPs and other things. Okay, that's all I had. If anything, anybody has anything else, if not, I'll see you next. We'll all see you next week then.
Nothing more from me. Thanks, everyone.
Yep,
Yeah,
nothing for me
I
either.
won't be at next week's meeting, but hopefully Paul Pindell will replace me for that. So
Awesome. Thanks, Tim. And all three of you have a great long weekend. See you next week.
okay, you too, Sridhar.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a good night. Bye.